Hello everyone. Today we will make some truly delicious, very chocolate brownies. Brownie is a chocolate dessert with a thin crust and a moist center. It is baked in the form of a pie and then cut into rectangular cakes. Prepare the ingredients. The taste of this delicacy is largely determined by the quality of the chocolate. Choose high-quality dark chocolate with a cocoa content of at least 70%. The full list of ingredients can be found under the video. Let's get started. Place the butter in a large container, a saucepan, or a microwave-safe dish if you are going to heat it in the oven. Break the chocolate into pieces and add it to the butter. Melt the butter with the chocolate in a water bath or in the microwave. If you are going to melt it in the microwave, you need to do this very carefully so as not to overheat the chocolate. Every 10 to 15 seconds, take the dish out of the microwave and stir the contents. When you get a homogeneous mass, you can turn off the heat. Let the chocolate mass cool down a little. Turn on the oven to heat up to 175 degrees. Put the eggs, sugar, and salt in a bowl suitable for whipping. Whip the egg mass. You don't need to whip for a long time. It is enough to whip until the sugar and salt dissolve. Add the chocolate mixture to the whipped egg mass. Mix thoroughly. Pour the sifted flour into the resulting mass. Carefully mix the flour into the dough with a spatula. Line a rectangular or square baking pan with parchment. Pour the chocolate dough into the pan and bake for about 25 minutes. The brownie should have a moist center and a crispy crust, so it is very important not to overcook the dessert in the oven. Remove the brownies from the oven and let them cool completely. Remove the cooled brownies from the pan and cut into squares. Serve the brownies, enjoy.